Hello, welcome back. This is Jane Chu here. In my last two videos, I explained why protein is so important for our body and health, and I also explained how to calculate your daily needs for protein. So now, today I'm going to explain where you can get hold of good protein sources. Now, in this slide, you get to see some example of protein, lean protein sources. So you can go for chicken breast, ground turkey, fish, Greek yogurt, egg white, and so on. And if you are looking for vegan protein sources, you can always go for tofu, soy milk, peas, walnut, almond, edamame, cheese, yogurt, chia seed, and so on. There are plenty of choices. So I hope you get some ideas what to eat and how to beef up your protein requirement. See you in my next video. Bye.